Good morning, students. The purpose of this video is to show you how you could use WordPress to create your first website, create your first WordPress account and WordPress website. I am definitely biased because I use WordPress to help me to become a better teacher. I use WordPress to create a website that could store my notes, and most of you guys might have seen this before. I have a website, islandclass.wordpress.com, and yes, they set that up for you. You can create your own website with your own web domain and have your website. Anyway, this is my website. I have a stream of posts that I use to represent my notes. It allows for me to include images and things of that sort. If I scroll back to the top over here, I can see that my web page layout is quite sleek and quite easy to understand. I have a search bar. I can search for something over here. It works straight off the box. I don't have to do any sort of programming. Also, I have the different categories that are on the right hand side here for me, as well as a tag cloud. And WordPress provide all of these features for you free of charge, and being quite seamless in the way that they integrate it into your website. The most important thing for me in my website is this home navigation bar that I have on the top here. So right now on the home page, I can click on home. I could also click on middle school ICT, which I use to represent CSEC stuff. You know, I would create different notes, and then after I create a post, I'll put the link to the post over here. So for example, for I guess I have a website exercise over here. I can click on the website exercise and visit that post and read it. So WordPress is allowed for me as a teacher to quite easily organize my notes and my data, and it could definitely help me reach my students. My students could visit my website, and you yourself could create a journal that is specific to you and customized and tailored to you. Alright, so let's get it. I'm going to go to wordpress.com. So I'll open a new tab here, wordpress.com. I already had it up there, wordpress.com. I am going to click on the top right hand corner here, get started. And from here I could create an account using my nc.edu email address, right? So this is for testing purposes. I have a test account that I use in here, but you could go ahead and use your real email address. So ALEX the STUDENT +1 at gmail.com, and I'm just gonna choose a password here, just a dummy password. And that's about it. You click on create account, and from here you could get to choose what your website domain name is. Now in my case, I would have had my web domain was named islandclass.wordpress.com. I would have loved to have it called islandclass.com, but because WordPress only offering this for me free, there's some sort of branding, so I guess I must have the WordPress inside there. But I have some freedom to say what I want it to be, because I might be using this website as my personal journal for whatever it is I was working on. In this example, Alex, the student, is going to create their own personal journal. I guess I could choose journal of Alex. And press enter and see what can happen. Yeah. So far I see that how I put in journal of Alex, and I see that how I have a suggested site over here under free, and it's not quite what I put in, which means that somebody else has a site named Journal of Alex. I guess I want to choose something that is unique to me. I mean, I could be okay with using the numbers, but I guess I want to choose something that is unique to me. I'm just gonna put Alex at Naparima, Naparima. Hopefully that is unique enough that I get. So I got it. So I see I have alex at naparima.wordpress.com. It is free for me, so I'm gonna go ahead and click on select. Now at this point in time, you're gonna ask me, which package I would like to choose. I just want to have a free website, so I'm gonna click on start with free site. At this point, I am presented with you know, a sort of a control panel that I could use to build my website. So this is the main thing you could be using here in this main area. On the, you know, you'll see there's a check mark. The site was created. The next thing I should do is name a site. And you know, naming a site is just what will be displayed on the site web pages and things like that. I don't want to go through all of that right now. What I'm really interested in is choosing what the site is look like first, right? So I could do that by clicking on the left hand side over here. All right, I'm going on design and then choosing themes. Now I know I want a sort of a journal type thing, so I'm looking for something that is a little bit minimalistic in terms of the themes that they have over here. I see that I'm not seeing any themes that I might like. Let me go ahead and choose, you know, click into the search area here. Now when you click on more themes, the search area is actually open up here, and I'm gonna put GOURNAL, and I kind of like this one here. Just looking at it, I kind of like it. If I click on it, I can get a preview, and I've seen that you know, I have some navigation on the top over here. I have a sort of a, you know, chronological layout. So I think this is suitable for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on. I want to use this, right? So I'm gonna click on activate this design, and now my website is going to look like this design. I could go ahead now to customize my site. So once again, I am presented with a situation where I could like you know, edit the different things on my site, but the main thing that you might be interested in, I'm just gonna go ahead and click on this X over here. You know, I could go through this sort of what is happening at my home here, so I can name a site. Just to be clear, let me just go ahead and click on visit site over here. Now, if I go to visit site, I have an idea of what my website is going to look like. All right. It's going to look something like this. And I'm going to just do one quick customization because I want to end the video here because we actually reached the point of creating this website. So I'm going to go back and click on, my bad, I'm going to go back through here and I'm going to name a site. And I'm going to click on name site over here and choose Journal of Alex. Put exclamation mark over here and give it a tagline. What I do today. What I do every day. EVERY DAY. I don't know how like what that means. I just kind of like putting it there for display purposes. Now I can go ahead and click Save as Settings. I see that how my site created. I name my site, and now you know I can go ahead and do these other things. But just to verify it, I'm gonna click back on Visit Site. And I'm going to see that the title of my site is Journal of Alex. So you have a good idea of what is going on over there. Now there's something else that's very important. For your site to be live, so for somebody else to be able to look at it, you have to make sure that your account is verified. All right. So it says on the top here, your site has not been launched as yet. Before launching, verify your email address by opening the email, you know, and clicking on the verification link. I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to go to classroom.google.com. Actually, I didn't need to go to Classroom now. I really just need to go to my email.google.com. I'm going to sign in with my address. And this is just a test account that I use here. So I'll click on the email that WordPress just sent me, which is activate Alex the student. We can confirm now. Yep, and that's about it. We're good to go. Alright students, I'll see you guys in the next video where we actually go through updating other elements of our website. Alright, bye.